What's up, guys and girls? It's your boy Jeff P back with another smoking video. This time we're gonna smoke a whole chicken and it is gonna be epic. It's gonna be double fire. So stick around and watch the whole video because I provide some pro tips at the end. Alright, the first step is to turn on the smoker. We got the smoker set to 325 degrees. So we got a 5-pound turkey, so it'll probably take about an hour and a half or so, maybe 2 hours at 325 degrees. So we got the smoker on, and the next step is we're gonna season the chicken. Alright, we got our boy Jeff P showing up to the party. Let's go. Alright, we are smoking a whole chicken today, and it is time to season the chicken. We got some hickory from our boy Matt Pittman at Meat Church, and we got some Holy Gospel as well. And we might throw on some honey hog barbecue from Meat Church. And for our binder, we're using some mayonnaise. You can use olive oil, just any kind of fat. You can use duck fat, whatever, brisket fat. You can use anything really that contains fat. So we're gonna throw down some mayonnaise as our binder, and it's gonna be double fire. You want to coat both sides of the chicken, get into all the little crevices, get that mayonnaise spread out everywhere. Alright, we're going to start with a little hickory action here. And you want to kind of do it high so it kind of evens out the coat everywhere on the chicken. That hickory smells fire. And we are rocking red nose reindeer. Gotta get a close up of that. Boom. Alright. Got a little hickory down on it. Do a little Holy Gospel. I like the Holy Gospel because it has nice big pieces of black pepper. It's great for smoking meat. Oh yeah, look at all that black pepper. Is going to be fire. Alright, we're doing beer can chicken, so we got red nose reindeer. We're going to stick under the bird. Alright, we got a nice coat of hickory on there. We're going to hit it with some Holy Gospel. It's going to be double fire. Oh shoot. Technical difficulties. Alright, there we go. Back at it. Holy Gospel's out, so time to hit it with some honey hog barbecue. That honey hog barbecue smells fire. Alright, we got the chicken seasoned. We're gonna let it rest for a good 15 to 20 minutes. And then the fun starts to happen. It's gonna be double fire, so stick around. Alright, we're back at it. The seasoning has been sitting on the chicken for a good 15 to 20 minutes. Now it's time to put it on the smoker, so here we go. Oh yeah, look at all that smoke. That is double fire. We got the smoker set to 325. It's time to put this guy on there. Alright, we got the chicken on the smoker, and it's going to go for an hour and a half to 2 hours. We're smoking at 325 degrees. It's going to be double fire. Alright, we got this chicken on, and it's at 325 degrees, so it'll take about an hour and a half to 2 hours. So let's go. Alright, it's time to take the chicken off the grill. Oh yeah. Look at that chicken. It's got a nice bark to it. Nice dripping. Oh, that hickory smells double fire. Wow. It's time to dig in. This thing looks delicious. It's time to grub. Alright, that smells delicious. Time to start breaking this guy up a little bit. Oh, wow. Look at the steam coming off that chicken. Oh, it smells so good. Looks super juicy. That is double fire. Wow. You got that nice hickory seasoning with a little bit of that holy gospel for the salt and pepper. Ooh, it is so good. It is double fire. Wow. And then on the back side, you get a little bit of that honey hog barbecue. Wow, a little bit of sweetness, ooey gooey. That is so good. This chicken might not make it inside, because that is delicious. Wow. That is double fire. Wow. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because it is double fire. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.